Okay, what is up, everybody? BJ Baker here with a new song, Obey That Computer. My artist name is Sensr, by the way. I'm going to go over my mastering chain that I used on this song in Ableton. And so let's just dig right into it. So I'll let you hear a little bit of it first here. Let me turn all this off. I'm going to turn it up a little. Okay, let me flip this on. Makes me smile. Okay, I will get lost in this, so I better just hit stop right now. Okay, so first in the chain is EQ8, and I'm just doing slight, subtle changes here. If you need a major EQing done here, it's probably a problem with your mix. So there shouldn't be any major EQing done here. I'm just boosting the highs a little and taming the bass a little. I think I boosted the mid just a little there. And then glue compressor, medium attack, medium ratio. I'll play it so you can see the needle going. This needle shouldn't go over 4 or 5. Mine jumps up to around 3 or 4, so I'm good, I think. Yeah, difference, just turn that off. To me, it's huge. Got a high-end boost, which is just exactly what it says. I've turned my output down, just -1. Boosted my mids and highs a little, turned the low down a little. And that's actually makes a huge difference too, big difference. And then color limiter, I think I turned the saturation up, the release down. I don't even think I messed with that. And I turned the loudness up a little. And then stereo width, I think I just turned it up a little. And I didn't even mess with the gain or anything on that. And that is it. That's the end of the chain. So if I was going to make this master chain any better, I would refine the lows, low mids, and push more clarity in the upper range without getting too harsh. If this helped you at all, please subscribe. And I'll be breaking down my mastering and production process as I release more music. And you can access the full track in the description. And that is it, people. Thank you for checking out my song. And I'm going to go ahead and just play it here to close this out. Jam out for a minute. See my studio behind me. Some of it. Thanks for checking it out, everybody. Please like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out a lot. Appreciate it. Later, everybody.